This TV back in the old days and did it again.
Mm-hmm.
And we used to watch Gunsmoke.
Yes.
And at the end, when they started being in color, the coffee pot.
Yes.
The last one that they showed.
Oh, can I just tell you, that is one of the saddest, right up there with MASH, that is one of the saddest songs, the ending of Gunsmoke, the music they play. But my uncle always said that if you watch the beginning of Gunsmoke where Matt Dillon is shooting at somebody, he lost.
But that guy fires first.
Yes.
Yeah.
But Matt Dillon, he would always make people leave town. And he would make them leave town. They didn't even do anything wrong. He's like, get out by sundown. I had no idea. I had no idea that he and Miss Kitty were dating until there's an episode where he's on some sort of bounty hunter thing or whatever. And that was when Chester was on there. And before Matt Dillon, who probably had ridden for days to get back to Dodge City, before he can even get off his horse, Chester comes up to him and says, there's a man that's been hanging around Kitty. And Matt's like, what? And Matt goes up to the guy, and you know what he tells him? For no reason whatsoever. He said, you need to get out of Dodge. And then they end up in a shootout, and Matt ends up killing him. And then Kitty runs up to Matt. And you know what he tells her? You want to go on a picnic?
Oh, that's the one with, I'm trying to think who the character is.
Oh, I think it's the guy.
Claude,
yes.
Is the character, yeah.
Yeah.
And because she wanted to go on a picnic, but he had to go to Sedona to pick up a prisoner.
And then the other couple I didn't know were dating until later on was Perry Mason and Della Street.
Were they?
They were dating.
Wasn't he?
He's gay.
No.
Not really.
And the series. No.
I think he may have been. I think he was dating Paula Drake.
No.
Yes, he was.
No, I'm talking about the series.
In the series, no.
No, in the series he was dating Della Street and Paul Drake, who was Hedda Harper's son.
But see, right now, when I don't have, when there's nothing to do or during the holidays, start off with Leave It to Beaver for 2 episodes.
Leave It to Beaver has some nice teachable moments.
And then do Perry Mason.
Yeah. Do you ever watch Cal Burnett?
No. I like Carol Burnett, the original one.
I love the original with her show.
I just do ever watch Tons of Gunsmoke.
No. All right, as soon as they bring your clients out, we will take matters up.
And I think Brandon's here, Judge, and his is out on bond, but she never appeared.
All right, who's your client?
Alicia Rubio, Your Honor.
Could I see the file on Alicia Rubio, please?
She just put it up there.
Let me see. Ah, there it is. All right, we're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2022 CR 3602 State versus Alicia Rubio. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Family violence.
It's family violence.
I'm sorry, Judge, wait a minute.
It's just that it's a
Oh,
For the state,
Ashley Jones.
for the defense.
Brandon Lopez.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 1:38 p.m. Your client never made an appearance. Have you had any contact with your client?
Your Honor, we've been trying since last week. We have no contact, Your Honor.
All right, state. All right, that will be granted and your client will be remanded without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. Judge, do you have Gonzalez?
Just 1 second. All right, on this one, it's a remand without bond.
Jose Gonzalez, oh,
No. That's Rubio. And let me find, who is your client?
Fidencio Gonzalez, Judge,
Is he on bond?
he's out on bond.
All right.
He's here.
All right, I'll take that up. Just give me a moment. I have the file. All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 009-869 State versus Fidencio Gonzalez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Don't need on this one, but it's been here.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 1:40 p.m. The defendant did not make an appearance this morning. Counsel, have you had any contact with your client?
I have, Your Honor. I spoke to him about a week before we got the setting notice on this one, and then I just spoke to his wife. They evidently didn't get the setting notice at their home address, which is, I think, the only address they've had. But I did speak to her. He's at work. He drives. He doesn't have access to his phone when he's driving. He can be here tomorrow morning, she said.
All right, state.
No requests at this time, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to issue a bond forfeiture remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance tomorrow, the court will reconsider.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
First row, first row, first row. Judge, second row, Thursday. Second row.
Oh, excuse me. Yes, tomorrow. That's fine.
Oh, tomorrow. On straight.
And counsel, he'll need to be here exactly at 9 a.m.
Oh, my.
Thank you.
I'm gonna text
Can you tell me how many days Mark Anthony Reyes has again?
All right, thank you.
We get the case numbers, 20, AC 2020, CR 10202.
Oh, review a judge, you did a judge's warrant, correct?
No. Is she on PR bond?
She's on probation. It's not an MTR.
Okay, so it's probably about 29 or.
All right. Who's here on Armando Contreras?
I'm Judge.
Court is calling 2024 CR 011642, State of Texas versus Armando Contreras. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris, Salem.
Defense?
Juan Aguilera.
And are you Armando Contreras? That's either yes or no. All right, counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that. Did I?
No, I have it. It
Okay.
was stuck to the paper.
Okay.
Mr. Contreras, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? All right, Mr. Contreras, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with assault of a hospital personnel? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he was, Your Honor, and he is.
Mr. Contreras, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Could be contained in exhibit 1 attachments, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just, the court will follow the plea.
All right, how long have you been using?
4 years.
All right, do you have any other criminal history other than this case?
Yes.
Is it violent history?
No.
All right, what are your other cases?
On theft and dope.
All right. Do you have any children?
No.
If you were released, who would you be living with?
The him bro.
All right. So here's my question for you. You know yourself better than I do. You need inpatient treatment. So the question is whether or not you want inpatient treatment. If you don't accept inpatient treatment, what's going to end up happening in the slow run is that you may end up going to prison for 8 years. But I'm going to have you remain in custody until the evaluations are done for you to go into inpatient treatment. And you need to be honest with them about your addictions. You understand?
So I have to go to inpatient treatment?
Yes, you're going to go into somebody's inpatient. And I hope you can understand why that's the appropriate thing for you. If you get to the point where you're at a hospital and you're assaulting somebody because they won't give you fentanyl, that's a problem. Now, if you do not want the help, I can send you to prison. If you all want to agree that he goes to prison, and I can send you to prison, but otherwise you need treatment desperately. And what I can tell you, if you choose the prison route, I will follow your agreement and send you to prison. But what's going to end up happening is you're either going to end up back before a judge for other charges because you're trying to get your fix, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body. So, do you need to talk things over with your attorney? All right. So, Vashon, he needs inpatient treatment. So I'm going to sentence him to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. If you successfully complete everything, I'll consider removing you off early, but do not come before me asking for early termination before the 4-year mark, because it's going to take a while for you to get clean and sober. And then it's going to take you a while where being clean and sober becomes a habit. Okay. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. There's to be 200 sober meetings in 200 days. The following will be in custody. There will be a referral to felony drug court. If you're accepted in felony drug court will come up with conditions for you, because that's a place, it's a treatment court, and it's to help you control your addictions, or at least become clean and sober, okay? I'm going to want the TAP evaluation in custody. Follow recommendations. And if he's not accepted into felony drug court, let's have him brought back. When's the last time you had employment?
Years ago.
All right. So how you been supporting yourself?
And
All right. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have any family here in San Antonio?
no,
Do you have any family at all that you've had contact with?
no,
All right. Do you have any children?
no.
Do you have any type of support system? All right. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
9th grade.
All right. Is there a reason why you stopped going?
No, I just stopped.
All right. So there's going to be 200 hours community service restitution. 100 of those hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of the GED, and the other 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if he obtains some higher level education or either some sort of trade school. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's to be no contact and restitution, if any, to Brittany Mendoza. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And defendant is not allowed to reside in any home where there are minors. And there's a $2,000 fine, and that will be probated. So if you successfully complete everything, you won't have to pay the $2,000 fine. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you're going to still come back to court. And if you feel as though you need more drug treatment, I'm not going to frown upon that. For example, I've given you 200 sober meetings in 200 days. The reason why I did that is because for you, going to sober support meetings needs to become your new habit. And you're going to have to meet new people and go to new places and new things. If you come to me and you say, Judge, I'm at the 201 day mark and I really need some more sober support meetings, I'm not going to say, oh, I'm not going to let you off of probation early because you need more help. I'm going to say thank you, because part of being sober is knowing what you need to do to maintain your sobriety. Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You have a big seizure.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you. No problem.
Wherever you find a space. Yeah. So I'm so sorry. No.
All right, are you all ready on Robin Hernandez? Who's here for Robin Huerta Hernandez?
She's asking for the data.
Oh, okay, let me turn that back.
Can I
This
approach?
show. Yes.
Mr. Zamora indicates that he's trying to move to Natalia,
Mhm.
which is not Bear County.
Mhm.
He said that they asked for permission to move.
He said that Natalia was like 20 minutes away.
Okay,
That's what he told me.
I'll.
Okay.
Sure.
Anyone else ready?
Washington is ready, sir.
I'm sorry, who? I think I turned that, let me see. I think I turned that back in because nobody was here for it. All right, and are you all ready on Justin Dean Coward?
Waiting on, Kristen Muller still.
All right, Norma, can you call?
Was running 15 minutes over.
Okay. And then, yes,
If I can put an announcement on Washington, I apologize. for
yes,
having
I'm just waiting for them to give me the. All right, Mason Allen Washington. Come down. Yes.
Your Honor, we're here set on my client's possession case. However, the state recently on one indicted a charge that is more serious, Your Honor. We're asking for a reset so that we can get some evidence in the new case that has not come in right now. There are only documents available on the first degree, Your Honor. And so I have let Ms. Jones know that we still need body cams, but what happens on the new case is gonna control the state jail that's set before you today, Your Honor.
All right, so do they have all of the evidence?
I asked earlier, I'm not sure if she was able to confirm.
All right, who's the state for Mason Washington? All right.
I'm asking CTD or family violence.
Well, there's a drug case that's a possession less than a gram. And then there's some newly indicted case.
It's not indicted. At this point.
No, it's indicted.
Oh, I'm sorry, I think I missed that. My apologies.
It just got indicted.
Just got indicted.
And that new case, Judge, is the one that we're missing evidence on, and it's the more serious charge.
All right, is all the evidence uploading on that case?
No, Your Honor, well, I don't know, this was just brought to my attention earlier this morning, so I haven't had a chance to look into it. It appears that we're missing body cam. Typically, there's body cam in these cases. I haven't had a moment to reach out to the detective to determine if that's accurate in this case or not.
Number, recall this for February 18th for discovery. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll bring you back on February 18th. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mark Anthony Reyes.
You don't have to read.
No, no, we have an agreed recommendation, but we have to.
Did you do a cert?
No, I have not.
It's over here.
I forgot.
It's over there.
My
When you get
bad.
it done, let me know.
Yeah, no.
So, so she's just not allowed to drive for the duration of probation. And then for the license suspension, the most it can be is 2 years. So if you'll put that in there. Okay, yes. All right.
There you go.
The fancy for
Are you already on Chet Baker? Who's here for Chet Baker?
Raymond Vale.
He's in the back. I mean, he's in the side room.
Oh, could somebody grab Raymond Vale?
Can you go grab Brandon?
And who do you all have? Yes,
Justin Howard.
could I see the file on Justin Coward? And I need a file stamp on Chet Baker.
On Coward, could you see if there's a discovery acknowledgement? We're doing plea paperwork. I just,
Oh, y'all are doing plea
yeah,
paperwork?
I just didn't know if there was an acknowledgement in there.
They'll be able to check to tell you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
On Coward, just if there's a discovery acknowledgement already in there. Not all. Okay, so, okay, great.
All right, and could I get a, please, stamp, please? Thank you. Court is calling 2024 CR 012311, State versus Chet Baker. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Say 'em.
All right, they're entering a plea on that, so.
Raymond Vale for the defense, Your Honor.
And are you Chet Baker? Counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Oh, we'll find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there any applications in this case?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Baker, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Baker, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Baker, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed under 1244 to 154 days in the Bear County Jail. There's a $500 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Is Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right. Any evidence?
Should be contained in exhibit 1 and attachments, Your Honor.
We reviewed the same. No objection, Your Honor.
State you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Baker, that mask really doesn't work if you don't cover your nose too. So you got to make a decision. Right now you're in no man's land with the mask. All right. Did you review the document entitled, did they give you a new mask in the back or is that an older mask?
It's an older one.
All right. Do we have another mask for him? We'll give you a new one here.
Okay, thank you.
At some point, I don't think the old masks work.
No, they don't. Yes, sir. On.
All right. All right, Mr. Baker, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked that the court follow the agreement of the parties. My client's been in jail for quite some time. We believe that this is the best this is the best disposition for him at this point, Judge.
All right, Mr. Baker, how old are you?
69.
69. Do you have any family here?
Yes.
Do you have a support system, or have they just said, he's just doing what he wants to do?
Doing what he wants to do.
All right. Court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 154 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. I see you have a lot of bracelets on your arms. Is that from the infirmary?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. Medical issues and illegal drugs do not mix. Even if you're in the perfect health, illegal drugs don't mix, because there are some people who are in the perfect health. There was a basketball player who had just got drafted. He got drafted by, I want to say, the Celtics.
Wow.
Lynn Bias. You think he's the perfect condition of health. Tried some drugs to celebrate. The people who had him trying drugs to celebrate were not his friends. And then, even though he was the first draft pick, all over the news, you know what it was? Lynn Bias dead. That could be you, where somebody's trying to identify your body. So the girlfriend who you were with, you're going to have to cut her loose, because you all are using drugs together. And you're going to have to try to get your life in order. Otherwise, one or two things are going to happen. You're going to spend the rest of your life at somebody's Bexar County jail or somebody's prison, or either they're going to be identifying a body on the street and somebody's going to come and tell me, my client, Chet Baker, do you remember him, Judge? I'm going to be like, yeah, because my mind's a steel trap. And then they're going to say, well, Chet Baker died. And you know what people are going to say? Oh, well, hopefully he had a chance to pray before he died. You understand?
Yeah.
There are plenty of free places in Bexar County and throughout the country now for drug treatment. If you can't find a place, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I will pick up the phone and call for a place for you to go to get help with your drug issues and whatever issues that are going on with you, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, does he need, will they allow him to take a second mask back with him?
I don't know.
All right, we can put a second one on top. Yeah. Could you give him a second mask?
Judge,
All right, thank you.
right behind you, Bashan. Have a seat, sir.
All right. Anybody else ready? Mark Anthony Reyes? All right, I need a file stamp for motion to revoke.
Matthew's.
Okay. All right, just give me a second. Could I get a file stamp on a motion to revoke?
You have a lead. There you go.
Court is calling 2020 CR 10202. State versus Mark Anthony Reyes. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense?
Joseph Uphelt.
Are you Mark Anthony Reyes? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Are you the same Mark Anthony Reyes who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 10202 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on May 4, 2021 for a term of 4 years and extended for 1 year?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
On or about the 10th day of January 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Mark Anthony Reyes, did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And I'm sorry, what was the number again?
Number 2, Your Honor,
All right, I'm making sure I have it.
and the state waives the remaining violation allegation, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court is going to find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, adjudicate the guilt or revoke supervision, assess punishment under 1244A at 120 days.
All right.
If I may, Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Reyes has been in custody in Medina County beginning in March of 2023 for a third-degree felony, which he pled to for 6 years, and he was then transferred to TDC, where he was just paroled on December 17th.
That clears things up. So you could read my mind. You
You're
get out of my
welcome.
mind.
So, Judge, he actually has, and if you need to see it, Judge, I have the conviction by the court waiver of jury trial where it shows that he actually has 370 days actual on the other case in Medina County, which was supposed to run concurrent with this one, but he was never brought over to take care of this motion to revoke. He has, my understanding is 121 actual days credit in Bear County Jail on the case before you, Judge. And that's why we're asking for that credit for time served and for it to be actually judgment satisfied
All right.
on this case.
Because I was wondering, why should I do this? But you've explained things. Thank you. All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Mhm.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 120 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Court will show that the judgment is satisfied. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did.
And I'm sorry, just one other thing. All right, before probation, he had a restitution amount of $8,000 to Toribio Garcia. Was that paid? And that was a part of your plea bargaining agreement.
Yes.
All right, there's to be restitution and no contact with Toribio Garcia. And the restitution amount is $8,000. Yes.
But under the amount due section for restitution, it shows 7,656.
All right, we'll change that. I'm just going strictly by what's in the plea bargain paperwork. So the restitution amount, what do you say, counsel?
Oh, that's the problem. The balance says 8,000. The amount due shows 7,656, and there don't appear to be any credits.
All right, so $7,656. Okay,
I can't explain the discrepancy from what I can see.
all right, thank you.
Restitution paid at all on this page.
Okay. Did you ever pay?
Dispersed or anything, it states still that the $8,000 still due.
All right, and what are you saying, counsel, that there was, is that amount that the complainant gave to you?
I'm just repeating what I see on the court summary, Your Honor. There's a discrepancy between the amount due and the balance with no credits. So I don't understand the source of the discrepancy.
Just one second. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
Naturally, we like the lower number. It's a $344 difference apparently.
Let's go off the record. Ms. Abrams, do you know if that's the, because on the court summary,
It's how many supposed to disperse, how many payments have been made, all of that, and there have been no payments made.
all right. Okay, thank you. All right, so we're back on the record. The restitution amount is $8,000. And that restitution amount goes to Toribio, Toribio Garcia. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. And state you may be excused. He was sentenced to 120 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244, judgment satisfied. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Judge, I'll have to bring my different source of claim out. Yeah, straight up to he's out there.
I do.
There you go.
Okay, they're still downstairs.
Hello. Oh, yes.
We're ready on Mr. Alberto Zerniga.
All right, if you have them pull the file and I'll take it up.
No.
Judge has the stamp, right?
Okay.
All right, and Norma, on Javier Rodriguez, that shouldn't be on the docket. His case was dismissed. Under PTD. He's on page 1. He's the second one from the bottom. Okay. So if you can make sure that's done. All right, who is here on Alberto Zuniga? Court is calling. Alberto Zuniga? Come down. Where's Alberto Zuniga? All right, excuse me, you can remain there. Court is calling 2023 CR 7894, State of Texas versus Alberto Jose Zuniga. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
For the defendant,
All right, and Mr. Zuniga is on crutches and appears to have difficulty moving. Any objection to Mr. Zuniga remaining in the box?
not from the defense.
All right. Mr. Zuniga, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Alberto Jose Zuniga who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 7894 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams on October 17, 2023 for a period of 2 years and extended for a total of 2 years? Is that you? State?
Yes, Your Honor. Say we'll proceed on violation condition number 41. On or about the 8th day of November 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Alberto Jose Zuniga did then and there failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court in violation of condition number 41. Other violations.
To violation of condition number 41, how do you plead? True or not true? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 41? And defense, do you have any objection to the state's waivers of the other allegations?
None whatsoever, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement? Yes.
For the defendant to be revoked from his current probation and sentenced to 2 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Is there a reason why I should follow for him to minimum? He was in felony drug court and he didn't apply by the rules of regulations. So why should I give him the minimum?
Well, he only has 54 days, I believe. So he's going to do, depending on what the Board of Pardons and Parole does, he's going to do at least 4 or 5 more months incarceration. He's never been to TDC before. Marijuana is his drug of choice, and he's just had a hard time kicking that.
Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
Not at all, Your Honor.
All right, let me see if I can find it here.
I believe the DA has a hard copy.
Oh, they send me emails. I have it by email. I just don't open it unless people give me permission and with no objections. All right, so he was discharged unsatisfactorily from IOP, and then he was sent to felony drug court, and he just wouldn't stop using drugs.
Marijuana, correct, Judge?
Well, there's I know it's 2024, but there's an admission to cocaine from your client.
Yes.
And then they sent him to Laurel Ridge and he absconded and a warrant was issued. And then it says that he was later arrested for a new felony assault. What happened with that case?
That's going to be.
All right. And then it says, while he was absconded, he admitted to continued substance use, cocaine and marijuana. And they said, it says here that he's had 2 previous probation revocations, non-compliance with specialty courts. And when I say 2 previous revocations, I don't mean what he's on probation, just in his past.
Thank
you. Non-compliance with the specialty courts, assaultive behavior, which you all say you're not proceeding on that. So I won't take into consideration where they say assaultive behavior. So I just don't think I don't think 2 years is appropriate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sentence him to 3 years in the prison. I'll give him credit for any time served, and I'll request the therapeutic community. And the other case, are you all taking care of that now? Are you taking it into consideration? Are you dismissing it outright? What are you doing? All right. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you're young, you still have more of your life ahead of you. Take this time to get clean and sober. When you're released from prison, because everybody always says, you know what, I'm going to be on the straight and narrow. I hate prison. I hate the Bear County Jail. And they come right back. When you're released, you need to find a place for rehab. If you can't find a place, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and call someplace to help you, okay? With regards to therapeutic community, it doesn't increase the time that you're on probation. It's something to help you maintain your sobriety and to rehabilitate you. I will let them know in my judgment that I'm requesting it for you, but you're going to have to request it as well. You understand? All right, good luck to you, okay? And take care of your health.
May I be excused? Your Honor?
Yes, thank you so much. Hey, Laura. Oh, he's still, I'll wait till he comes back. You're welcome. Norma, did you tell the MAC which cases? All right, thank you. Sure.
Thank you.
How's it going?
It's all right. How are you?
I'm doing great. I was telling everybody the rain
Mike is
outside.
live.
Yeah, the rain outside, it's that type of rain where no umbrella would do you any good.
Yep.
It just, it's hitting you in the face.
Yep, it's gonna mist.
And
get you.
I almost got sprayed by the VIA bus. I'm like, no. You know how you do this like it's gonna
Yes.
help?
Yeah. I would have done the same thing.
But I was able to avoid it a little bit. There you are. Have a great one.
Thank you.
They say we may get snow. So Norma, we have left on page 3, Cantu, Madrigal.
I keep texting,
Oh, have Mac. All right, so Mac needs to talk to him about that. Sheffield, Sean was here. Oh, okay. And then we have Washington, that's done. Mackay Williams, where's?
They're bringing them up, Judge, right now. Please, bring them up.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Send you the text message.
All right, thank you. And then we have Sherry Cooper, if you can find out.
Lorraine came in and then she left, so she said she hasn't had any contact with her client.
All right, see if she can zoom in. And then we have Kimberly Nieto. That's somebody else who needs to be brought up if she's.
They're bringing her up, Judge. We're bringing the last of the people up.
All right. Oh, we got coughing going around the court.
It is.
Norma, could you give me another violation report or printout on Virginia Ramos? Because I confused her with the other Ramos we had on the docket and I put something on this that I shouldn't have done. You want the violation report?
Sure.
Yeah, I just need another one. Because I wrote on that one and then you can destroy it. And then Deputy Laura, I'll go out with you with the jurors.
You said throw this one away?
Yes. All right, thank you. Yeah, this little stapler comes in handy. Yes, and I love the little stapler remover. Yeah, and the color is so beautiful. It has a 60s vibe.
Yeah.
Deputy Laura, are you okay?
Got me off the hall.
Okay.
I gave it to her. Then these germs travel to here. It just tickles my toes. What? I do one of my drug dealers. I visit her and go out. And she would put me in. Did you talk to Judge already? We're done. Oh, we're done? Okay.
Judge, will you excuse me from the courtroom for a moment?
Yes. All right, Deputy Laura, you want to?
Yes, I'll go with you.
All right, and everyone just give me a moment and I'll be right back.
Sam.
Selena Allen. Come forward. Are you here for Selena Allen?
Yes.
Hello. Hi, so on this case, where are we for discovery purposes?
Judge, I apologize. I did not have this on my docket, so I haven't even looked at the discovery. I know that there's several cases that have not been indicted. So I would say we're probably still in process of getting everything.
All right, state the other cases that have yet to be indicted. Do you know if you have discovery on those cases? And are they all theft?
I believe so.
That's one is a UUMB on the most recent, on at least two of the most recent. There is nothing uploaded to our e-discovery system. In the others, a few only have documents, some are completely uploaded.
All right, and you're on all of the cases?
I believe so, yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, give me a 60-day reset for discovery, please.
March 29th is I can do March 31st.
All right, March 31st. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, anyone else ready? All right, has he been sworn in? Are you all ready to proceed? No, I don't have the paperwork.
Just want to look at the steps.
Okay. Sure. Oh, yeah. Thank you. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007180, State of Texas versus Justin Dean Coward. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Kristen Molitor for the state.
Defense?
Mario Gomez on behalf of Mr. Coward.
Are you Justin Coward?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery and there are no applications. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. State, are you proceeding? I'm sorry, defense, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Coward, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavits of Admonitions?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with online solicitation of a minor as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent, and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Coward, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance and no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes,
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No context.
State any evidence.
States one is attachments, Your Honor. Discovery not.
No objections.
All right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, so what's going on here as far as, I don't understand, because I'm reading the stipulations, and when I say I don't understand your client. And I'm reading the stipulations. I don't understand why he would continue when he knew the age of the person. Is there something mentally going on here?
Yes, Your Honor, there was a competency evaluation that I had referred to you that might help explain. He has Asperger's syndrome, which, I'm not a doctor, but some of the characteristics is, not realizing social boundaries, not picking up on social cues, being socially awkward, which might help explain why it happened. Not an excuse, but help explain. And some of that he's been diagnosed at a very early age that he's been dealing with his entire life.
Okay. So, and then my next question is the no contact that's listed in the, just one moment. All right, the court is going to follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a chapter 62 registration, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. And there's to be no contact with minors. And that will be addressed also with the chapter 62 registration. All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? You need to say yes or no.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. No. So with regards to, we're off the record. You're going to have to make sure that you always have a trusted adult in your life. If there's an issue with you taking social cues, then there needs to be an adult in your life to help you with that. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm the one
All right.
back to my mom and dad.
All right. Thank you. All right.
Have excuse?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just for your notification.
Oh, just 1 second. Oh, no problem.
Jenna. No, I don't. That's every time I'm like.
You're welcome. All right, Craig Cantu. If you'll come down. All right. All right, so where are we?
So I spoke with Mr. Cantu a little bit about his case and his contact with his attorney. So he actually has never had contact with his attorney, but he has
we'll bring him back on Thursday. And then we have Lorraine Efron coming in.
I mean, San Antonio gets better. What do you think? Also, we're ready to be in the period. You knew better, you would.
Lorraine?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, okay, so your client, let me see who that is.
They. Very, very, very.
I think Sherry Cooper is who we're talking about.
Yes. Can I see the file on Sherry Cooper? Yes. And Miss Abrams, what is happening with Sherry Cooper?
It's a MTR, it's been on the docket for quite some time. She was here on the 10th and they were gonna consult an immigration attorney. At that point, I think she was still in custody, but from my understanding, she's no longer in custody.
All right, Deputy Laura, can you double check and make sure she's not in custody?
If I may, Judge,
Yes.
I think that one of the issues was her immigration status or seeking some Padilla type of letter on her behalf. Does that sound familiar?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so we have an email here from an Erica Schomer at the St. Mary's Law Clinic, who said that they had represented her in an application for a U visa, which was approved in August of 2024. And that was the extent of their involvement, and they've closed her case. So they would not be able to assist with the Padilla letter. So I can't remember if Justin at the MAC, I need to see if I've talked to him or not. I guess this came in January 15th, so about a week ago, or what's today, the 20, a week and a half ago. So that's, she does have she was successful in her U visa. I think that's kind of in the nature of a asylum or something.
The U visa, but the problem is she's not appearing, for court.
I know.
And we were here last time on the 17th, and she was late. I did give her a reset because I know that you were not able to attend, and she was late for that. And I admonished her about being tardy, and she just doesn't show up. Do y'all have a call on Sherry Cooper?
Yeah, I just wanted to check right now.
Yes.
There is no indication that she checked in with her officer. And this would be her second in our file.
All right, just one moment. All right, so can someone make an announcement to see if Sherry Cooper is in the hallway? Sherry Victoria Cooper.
I went out there earlier, Judge. Let me go again.
All right. Can I have a prosecutor, please? Court is, it's CTD. Court is calling 2022 CR 0067B, State versus Sherry Victoria Cooper. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Andrew Harris Salem.
for the defense?
Lorraine Ephron.
Any objection to the defense counsel appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. I'll note for the record that the defense counsel did appear in court, and the defense counsel was given permission to appear by Zoom. Ms. Cooper has not made an appearance all day. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
There's no one in the hall, Your Honor.
All right, and counsel, have you had any contact with your client?
She does periodically call me. Yeah, I think it just to clarify, I guess she appeared on the 17th of December.
Yes, and she was
And-
given a reset clause.
Okay, and I was not there. So she got the reset from December 17th.
Yes.
Your Honor, just out of curiosity, is that
I have periodic contact with her when she calls. I have not had contact with her today.
reset form signed by the defendant?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
Forfeit the bond, issue a warrant.
All right, the court will grant the motion. The court will issue a bond to remain your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will of course reconsider.
Okay, I'll see if I can find a way to get her in tomorrow. I don't know.
Alright.
Okay. May I be excused for today?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, do y'all have Mr. First?
There was a paper file, Judge, it was only like 2 pages. You got a chance to give it to us.
No, I don't have it.
That's someone. I'm sorry to track it down.
All right. And are y'all ready on Kimberly Nieto? Where's Kimberly Nieto?
The box.
Oh, thank you. When y'all are ready, the people remaining on the docket are Kimberly Nieto, Brandina Bergen, all right, Mac is gonna speak with you. She's right there. She will talk to you once she's finished speaking to the other inmates. And Richard Madrigal. All right, she's gonna speak to you. And Makai Williams. All right, she's talking to you. Hi, yes. Thank you so much.
Can I approach him?
Yes.
He wanted to come himself, but
Oh,
do a press
know.
conference or.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
I'm so excited. Does anybody have a drive so I can put this in? No, I'm just trying to play it. Oh, okay.
I thought we had one just.
There, do you need it right now, Judge?
Yeah, because I wanna see what's on here. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm like, how did that noise?
Judge.
You're welcome.
I hand this to you.
It's not set today.
Oh.
It's set for the 4th. Huh? It's just yeah. Dismissed if we can.
Yes. Mhm. Sure. All right, thank you. There you are. You're welcome. Sure. All right, State, do y'all have any one of those external disk drives so I can play a DVD? Ah. Okay. All right, let me ask them to bring me one from court admin. Could I see the files on Makai Williams? All right, so what is happening with Makai Williams?
So, he has been in contact, with his attorney. They spoke about a month ago in court. He was gonna come out and see him to review the discovery, but has not. But he was, recently arrested back in December. So I think we're gonna keep the attorney and just reset. And then I will email Mr. Munoz. I think he's on. the
All
case.
right, Norma, on Williams, recall him for Thursday. We're gonna bring you back on Thursday. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Um,
Then I think he has someone else on the docket as well.
So Kimberly Nieto, but I'm still talking to her.
Okay, all right, I'll let you continue to talk to her.
But, Mr. Ranhea is also ready. I
Okay.
spoke with him. He's the same thing. He's been,
Excuse me, miss. I'm gonna need you to be quiet, okay? Your your attorney will come over there and see you in just a moment, okay? So just hold on to your paperwork. I promise we'll get to you, okay? All right, thank you.
he was also recently arrested, but he's been in contact with his attorney.
All right, and who is that?
Ranhea, his name is Virgin Saul.
Could I see the Virgin Savala file, please? Mr. Savala, we're gonna bring you back on Thursday.
Thursday.
All right, can I have the rest of the files?
In custody, the other male, I don't have his name on my list.
All right, his name is Richard Madrigal Flores. Do you need the case number?
Yes, that'd be great.
The case number is 2024 CR 011824.
Thank you.
It was the free. Good. Muy bueno, sí, muy bueno. Sí, me gusta. We still have McDonald downstairs.
All right, bring him up, please, and I'll talk to him.
Still here?
Oh, Norma. On Rogega, that's the one with Ronald Zimmerman. So don't call it for Thursday. I'm sorry, Deputy Laura. Um, Savala,
You want him on Thursday?
Thursday of next week,
Oh.
because the attorney is out sick.
Which would be the 6th.
Yes. All right, so what is going on? Your attorney's in a jury trial. Yeah. So people can't be in two places at the same time. So we're gonna bring you back on February 6th. So that's next week. I mean, you can't, here's the thing, if I would appoint an attorney to represent you, guess what would end up happening? They're not ready to go anyway, and it would probably be longer than February 6th. But the thing about it is, people can't be in two places at the same time. I mean, there's just no way to do it. So we're gonna bring you back on February 6th. And they'll be back, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Can I have a file on Self McDonald? Yes. He didn't come back.
Mary told me, but he did come in, right? No, he came in. He came in.
At 11:50 or 12 o'clock.
Cause I told him, I said, your client is waiting for you out here. Oh, you're right back.
Well, that maybe, I took a minute to give him an offer, but he hasn't come back to the afternoon. Oh, okay, so that's the only.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna go pick everything up.
I want to get like Mercedes.
How about an Audi? Just make circle.
Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota T in the back.
I'm sending
That's
you
Tesla.
paperwork on Adobe.
Okay.
In about 5 seconds.
We better.
House family docs? That's it? So we're done. What's that? Okay, so everything's set. Okay, now, to talk to Ruth and let her know to come back on Thursday.
You're such a nice guy.
You know, well, she was so sweet and nice. She took my picture. I'm kidding. They were done.
2-6.
She was like, I guess she was here this morning, because like, she's like, sir. I'm like,
For a minute, you said, what's your name, Zach?
what's my name? Andrew.
I can see that. Yeah, I could have.
Andrew Edelman. That's my name.
I could see that.
Seriously? Compared to me, he's basically a gargoyle.
Well, people that say all of us look the same, all the bald guys.
Way more.
You're my stunt double. So if I get shot,
The one that got approached.
Zach is the one at his favorite Mexican food restaurant. I'm like, you're Jason Garrett, and you stole my truck. Jason from the pound.
You're ever threatened, you're going to bravely push me into the wedding.
Yeah. Oh, man, that was funny. I was
That was
like,
funny. It's a funny story.
that's like, have you gone back there? No. He's all, I know what you're talking about, but it's not me. They're like, sure it is. We know you. Yeah. Freaking the Nazis trying. You can't do that. We can't have like that many one guys in the same board.
Could you give that to Bashan? Thank you.
It's like when they made when Jessica Schultz and I were partners. She's all blonde and
All right, guys, so we will be